Hello. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace EMI filter on your AEONLaser. So now, let's check it out. I'm now using the Mirror 9S as an example. First, turn off the power of the machine. Then open the side panel. The EMI filter is here. Unplug these filter terminals and start to remove it. But before removing it, let's take a look at here. Open its cover. You can see a spare fuse inside. Let me make it clear first. It's really rare that an EMI filter would go bad in our after-sales service records. Most of the time, the actual issue is that the fuse inside the filter has failed. So AEONLaser gives a spare fuse in every machine. You only need to replace the fuse with a new one. Alright, put the cover back on, and now we're about to remove the filter. Use an Allen wrench to loosen this screw. At the same time, I'm showing you the back with another shot. Here I'm using the pliers to hold the nut in place, which makes removing easier. Okay, the first screw has been removed. Now use the same way to remove the second one. Because the space is limited, you can use the screwdriver to hold the nut in place while loosening the screw. Alright, the filter has now been completely removed. Our after-sales team will provide you with a brand new EMI filter if replacement is required. Now let's install the new one. Using the same method, install the nut back into position and hold it securely. Then use the pliers to create the nut while tightening the screw. Install the second screw in the same way. After installation is complete, don't forget to reconnect the filter terminals. That's it. This is a complete process for removing and installing the EMI filter. So, did you get it? Alright, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. This is Duran from AEONLaser. See you next time. Bye bye.